Welcome back to our channel, where we explore unique and creative art crafts. In today's video, we will be showcasing some amazing wooden art crafts that are sure to inspire you. From intricate carvings to stunning sculptures, these creations will leave you in awe. Let's jump right in. Our first wooden art craft is a mesmerizing carving. The artist has skillfully transformed a simple block of wood into a detailed masterpiece. The intricate patterns and textures bring the piece to life, showcasing the artist's talent and precision. This carving is a true testament to the beauty of wood as an art medium. Next up, we have some breathtaking wooden sculptures. These pieces demonstrate the versatility of wood as an artistic material. From realistic animal sculptures to abstract forms, each sculpture tells a unique story. The artists have expertly manipulated the wood to create movement, texture, and emotion in their work. These sculptures are truly awe-inspiring. Moving on, we have wooden mosaics. These art crafts combine the beauty of wood with the intricate patterns of mosaic art. The artists carefully arrange small wooden pieces to create stunning designs and images. The contrasting colors and textures of the wood add depth and dimension to the mosaics. These pieces are a perfect blend of traditional and contemporary art techniques. Wooden furniture can also be a form of art. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in these pieces are remarkable. From intricately carved chairs to elegantly designed tables, each piece showcases the artist's skill and creativity. These wooden furniture pieces not only serve a practical purpose but also add a touch of artistry to any space. Lastly, we have wooden wall art. These pieces are perfect for adding a unique and rustic touch to your home decor. From carved panels to wooden wall hangings, these art crafts can instantly transform a plain wall into a stunning focal point. The natural beauty of the wood combined with artistic designs makes these pieces truly captivating. Conclusion. Host, and there you have it, a showcase of some incredible wooden art crafts. Whether it's the intricate carvings, stunning sculptures, beautiful mosaics, elegant furniture, or rustic wall art, wood has proven to be a versatile and captivating medium for artists. We hope these creations have inspired you to explore your own creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unique and creative art content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.